Who's driving the vehicle?
Not really.
When we get in front of Leslie, we need to like one person drive.
She's not the one with the gas pedal, I am.
Run over her,
Here we see one of the
let go of the gas.
I am letting go of the gas.
Here we see we're about to run over Emmy.
No, we're not.
Look guys, look, it's a wild lion. This is one of the rarest sights you'll ever see.
Go! Stop! She's dead.